Medium format. Medium format sensors are significantly larger than full-frame sensors and are commonly found in high-end professional cameras. Digital medium format sensors often measure around 44 by 33 millimeters or larger, providing extremely high resolution and exceptional tonal detail. Because of the larger surface area, these sensors can capture subtle color gradations and dynamic range that smaller sensors struggle to reproduce. Medium format systems are often used in fashion, advertising, and fine art photography, with manufacturers like Fujifilm and Hasselblad producing some of the most well-known cameras in this category. Full frame. A full-frame sensor is designed to match the size of traditional 35mm film, measuring roughly 36 by 24 millimeters. Because the sensor is physically large, each pixel can gather more light, which often results in cleaner images, smoother color transitions, and better performance in low light conditions. Full-frame cameras also produce a shallower depth of field, allowing photographers to create stronger background blur. These sensors became popular with professional photographers as digital technology matured, particularly in high-end cameras from companies like Canon, Nikon, and Sony. APS-C. APS-C sensors are smaller than full-frame, typically measuring around 23 by 15 millimeters, depending on the manufacturer. The name comes from the advanced photosystem film format introduced in the 1990s. Because the sensor is smaller, it creates what is known as a crop factor, meaning lenses appear more zoomed in compared to full-frame cameras. APS-C sensors are widely used in enthusiast and mid-range cameras because they strike a balance between image quality, camera size, and cost. Many photographers appreciate the extra reach they provide for wildlife and sports photography. Micro Four Thirds. A Micro Four Thirds sensor measures approximately 17.3 by 13 millimeters and were created as part of a collaboration between Olympus Corporation and Panasonic Corporation. The system was designed to remove the mirror mechanism used in traditional DSLRs, helping cameras become smaller and lighter. The smaller sensor results in a 2x crop factor compared to full frame, which effectively doubles the apparent focal length of lenses. While the sensor gathers less light than larger formats, Micro Four Thirds cameras are known for portability, fast shooting speeds, and highly stabilized video systems. 1 inch. A 1-inch sensor is much smaller than the name suggests, measuring roughly 13.2 by 8.8 millimeters. The name comes from an old video camera tube standard rather than the sensor's true physical size. These sensors are often used in premium compact cameras and advanced point-and-shoot models. They offer noticeably better image quality than typical smartphone sensors while still allowing cameras to remain compact. Because of this balance, 1-inch sensors are common in travel cameras and some professional video devices. 1 by 2.3-inch sensor. A 1 by 2.3-inch sensor is commonly found in compact digital cameras, bridge cameras, and some action cameras. Measuring around 6.3 by 4.7 millimeters, it is significantly smaller than most interchangeable lens camera sensors. The smaller size allows manufacturers to build cameras with extremely long zoom ranges while keeping the body lightweight and affordable. However, because the sensor gathers less light, image quality and low light performance are generally more limited compared to larger sensor formats. Smartphone sensors. Smartphone sensors are among the smallest used in modern photography, often measuring between 5.76 times 4.29 millimeters, depending on the device. Despite their small physical size, advances in computational photography have dramatically improved the images these sensors can produce. Companies like Apple, Samsung Electronics, and Google rely heavily on software processing, combining multiple exposures and advanced algorithms to simulate the dynamic range and background blur that larger sensors achieve naturally.